Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have picked up a bunch of new Matchbox cars that I'm going to do reviews on in the next few days, and quite a few unboxings as well. Here we have the Autobahn Express 3, and there's a quick look at the vehicles which we're going to open and compare to other vehicles that Matchbox has previously done. So give me a second while I set it up and open the packaging. So I just opened the box. I haven't taken it out yet, but I just want to have a quick look at the box itself. See some of the licenses. So there's the Mercedes and Opel, VW, BMW M5 and a Porsche. And there's the back art. It's of the VW Golf in yellow, which is a color I haven't seen this particular vehicle in before. So I think it's a new casting, or at least it's an old casting with a new color scheme. And those are the licenses, and the side of it has the Golf again. So there it is, and let's just open it up. Alright, so it's opened. There's the box. I'm going to push it aside and just have a look at these vehicles one at a time. So let's start with a new casting, which I haven't seen before. Not sure what that vehicle is yet. Let's have a look at the back and figure that out. So this is an Opel Speedster. Fully detailed. It's in a flat gunmetal gray, metallic I should say. No, it's just flat. It's not my favorite casting. I'm not sure if it's this combination of the colors they've used, or I mean, it's not bad, but it's not ideal. So I have nothing to compare it to because this is the first one that I have. It is detailed. I will put it on the turntable real quick. It's actually quite nice. I mean, I wouldn't say it's one of my favorites, but it's really not anything I can complain about. Like, it's got all the bells and whistles. I think it's just the color combination that doesn't do the vehicle the justice it deserves. Alright, enough of that. Next we have a Porsche Panorama. So that's a 2010 Porsche Panorama in white, which I think it's the first time we've seen it in white. I really like this casting. I've got at least 2 other versions of it. So a closer look at it here. So detailed back, no side liveries. The tires work, but they could be better. Front looks amazing, as always. Good detailing, lights are filled, the Porsche logo at the front there, sunroof, black interior. Look at that, fully detailed back. Beautiful. Fantastic. I'm not sure if you can read that, guys, but there's the back. There you go. And then just for comparison's sake, we've also seen it in yellow quite a few times. It's also there in that 9-pack, which has that Nissan Leaf in it from, I think, earlier this year or early last year, which was 2021. And we've also got it in this 9-pack here with the Datsun. You see it right there. Sorry about the lighting there, but I do have a single of it as well, which I haven't opened, but I really should at some point. Really is a nice vehicle. I think I'm going to open it right now. Give me one sec. So just opened that, guys. There's the open box. Let's have a look at that. So it's sort of a metallic gray, dark, very dark gray, almost a black. But look at the detailing on that. That is fantastic. Look at this. All the bells and whistles. And the tires are nicer than the one we just opened here. So this would be the ideal set of tires, I would say, for this vehicle in Matchbox's current line. So they went with the same tires on the yellow one as well. Look at that. So third version of it that I own. I'm pretty sure it's there in blue as well, and I think I have it in my collection somewhere. I just couldn't find it. And just so you guys know, the gray version that we just opened is from 2019. There's the box again. That really is a very, very collectible vehicle. Look at that. And I think there's other versions that I don't own yet. All right, let's move right along. All right, next we're gonna look at this Mercedes Unimog. In white, we've had it in green and at least one other color. I just didn't pull them out. This one is in a Rannoch livery. It's the first time they've made this particular vehicle with the Rannoch livery. It's got side livery. There's no detailing at the back at all. But it's in the typical white and orange with black writing that we've seen before with this particular type of particular theme, I should say. And of course the front's not done either, but still not a bad vehicle. Just have a quick close-up on it. Let's see, it says Rannoch. It's actually not too bad, even though the front isn't detailed. It looks decent enough. It's got a nice tow hook. Beautiful. And then just to show you guys, you know, the old Rannoch 5-pack from, I think it was from 2018. So sorry, 2020. I feel like I've had it for longer, but we've looked at it before. It's another one for the collection. There's one in that particular 9-pack as well. You see it right there, which is actually repeated there, but good addition, no complaints. Nice vehicle. Next we're going to look at one of my favorite castings, is this BMW. So that's a police BMW M5. And we have seen it in this particular color theme before in a German series, but this one, they've actually taken away a few bells and whistles by not detailing the front. So you see that? Not detailed. And I've got several different versions of this. I'm yet to find it in gray and green. Let's just look at that. No detailing at the front, which is a shame, but it does give us a variance, so not complaining too much about it. But this really is a very, very nice casting. I'm surprised it's not more popular. And just to show you guys, so I've got lots of different versions of it. That is a fairly rare version. I paid about, I think about 50 euros for it, 50 or 60 euros. It says nose art on it, which is ambulance in German from what I understand. And I think this is a Matchbox Gathering exclusive from Germany from a few years ago. It's quite a nice car. And then of course we've got it in the UK series with the UK police livery, German series, which is weird for a, it says global, but it's a Russian police car. And then of course in the German police car, and you can see on the face of it, it looks exactly the same, but this one's actually detailed at the front. Let me just see if I can put them together so you can see the difference. Oh, and they have different tires, look at that. One is silver, one is sort of a black with a gold rim. Look at that, one's detailed, one's not. So, of course the back's not detailed in either of those. So, good addition, good variants. I'm glad they did it. I'm always happy to collect as many of these BMWs as possible. And there's just the open version of the English Beamer. Once again, they tend to detail the front and have side and top livery, but the back is not detailed in any of these, other than the German one. Look at that. The German ambulance, fully detailed, all the bells and whistles. But I also did pay almost 50 or 60 euros for it, so. And last but not least, fabulous little Golf GTI. So Volkswagen Golf GTI, detailed front in a orangey yellow is the best way to describe that color. It's got a detailed black back, black interior, decent set of wheels. And I didn't think I had too many of these in my collection, but I went through it and I found 3 other versions. So I do have a few versions of this now. And just a close up here. Tires are okay. Back's really nice. Unfortunately, it's got that safety bar inside. You can see that there. That's the front. Just have a look at a few other versions I have. So I have it in this German. I'm going to open that. And then I also have it in black from the regular line, which we're also going to open. And I have it in one of these packs from a few years ago that I bought on Facebook Marketplace. And I'm going to open that. This hasn't been opened. I did open the box, but as you can see, it's still in its packaging, which has never been opened. So give me a second while I open that, and then we'll have a look at the other 2 as well. So open the grey one, just to have a quick look at the box before we discard it. See if we can find a year on it. So it's 2017 Mattel license. There you go. Pretty sure these are from the US. I'm not sure if they ever sold the boxes in Canada. Anyways, happy to add it to my collection. Let's have a closer look at it. Look at that. Really, really well done. Sorry about the light, guys. It's getting a bit gloomy here in Vancouver after a really, really long time. We've had a great spell of sunny weather. That's really nice. And then the back. And before I open it, let's just have a look at the graphics on this one. So black on black. 2021. And then we're also gonna have a look at this, and I'm gonna open this up as well. So look at that, beautiful graphics. So this one's about $1 more than the others because it's part of this German line that's always quite expensive. So give me a sec while I open those up. So those are both open now, and I'm gonna put them all on the turntable, and we will have a close look at all of them in a sec here. Let's let them rotate it at least once, and then we'll look at the black one and the purple one. So black on black, they all seem to have the same level of detailing, which I like. There's no side temples, but the front and back are completely done, including logos and number plates, as you can see. Okay, so let's have a look at the 2 cars individually. I'm just going to zoom in so that we have... Okay. That is a really nice color. Tires are decent. Very nice. And there's the top. Very nice. And then the black one, which we haven't looked at. So this is the last one from the regular line. Black with a red grille, or a red piece to the grille, I should say. Black on black. So they've all got the same tires other than the grey one, which I think, I like these tires better. Look at that. I think it looks a little bit better than the version the other three have. Tell me what you think, guys, and I think that's it for this video, guys. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and if you like the video, please hit like on YouTube.